Low-carb keto oven tortilla, no flour, no rolling, but it eats like a warm, hearty sandwich. You can find all the ingredients in the description, and I will show you my quick trick for an easy roll-up base. Into a blender cup, I add cottage cheese and 1 egg, then season with salt, pepper, and favorite spices. Stay with me, because in a moment I will show how to keep it from sticking and make it peel off nicely. I blend until smooth. That is how the tortilla turns out even and tender. I pour the batter onto baking paper and shape a rectangle, and really brush the paper with a little olive oil. I bake about 25 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit, 200 Celsius until lightly golden. While it bakes, I prep fillings: tomato, onion, and fresh cucumber. The more colorful, the better it looks. I take the tortilla out and let it rest a moment so it rolls without cracking. I spread some mayo and add the fillings. Here you can get creative and build your favorite combo. If you enjoy quick ideas without long cooking, subscribe. More easy meals are coming. The best part is this base stays soft but holds together, even with generous fillings. Pro tip: do not overfill the edges, leave a clean border so rolling stays neat. I roll it up using the baking paper. That makes shaping much easier. And it is ready. A quick oven tortilla, crisp on the edges and soft inside. Enjoy. Thanks for cooking with me today. Leave a like and subscribe for more simple homemade ideas.